Friends, good to catch you on finding world's smallest stretch Armstrong. This is about 4 inch. It's about 4 to 5 inch, and this is that's the advertisement I got. World's smallest stretch Armstrong. The look is like Arnold Schwarzenegger hairstyle, I believe so. That's how they come up with a strong body. Woohoo! Wow! Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's coming back to the original position. It's like, check out. It's like a lighter size or something like that. It's not even, yeah, it's exactly close to the lighter. 25 grams, okay. That's cool. Everything is soft. Everything is like a gel based soft material. Apart from the head, you can stretch anything, any way. Even I'm pulling like this. So it come back. It's coming back to the same position. That's it. So, but we are not stopping that. We are going beyond it. It's definitely going far beyond to find out what's in. That's all about it, right? But the thing is, if you carefully notice, everything is perfect. Everything is perfectly manufactured. From the calf, from the thigh, and the shoulder, everything is perfectly built. Oops, there is a big amount of gel is there. This is what inside. It's complete of hardcore gel in it. I cannot believe it's full amount of gel into your body. So the operation is over for Armstrong. So I think the gel is once it's get air, it's fine. It stops attaching to the finger. You see, it comes now quickly. Anyway, let's fire it now. Time is less. Let's fire it up. Oh, yep. I hope you guys see this. Yeah, this is literally a... So I don't know why they keep the gel. What's happening is this material itself, it's so rubbery, and it will come back to the same position as far anytime as you squeeze, it will come back to the same position, because the nature of the rubber, I feel, is good. I think they kept the gel because of to make the inner volume in a higher, looks bigger, And let's see with the fire what happened, Just curious to find out what happened when he fired the torch. Oh no. Look at this. It's serious fire. He's never stopped. This never stops with the water. Oh my goodness. No way. Finally. Holy cow.